that I really like is to match a face to a name. We know the reviewers by name, but once we're there at QM, it's like, oh, yes. And the conversations, they're just magnificent. All the conversations that you can have. So it's a great learning experience. So, yeah, engage and participate in as many activities that QM Connect has to offer.
But what I would say is, don't be shy and network with people, right? Because there's a lot of information. There's a wealth of information from the people that attend Quality Matters, and you can learn so much. And so I know for my first time, it was difficult because I went by myself and to talk to other people, but it really helped me understand Quality Matters and helped me see what other institutions were doing. And so
I mean, if you ask me, I would just say have fun.